And picking away at this double hole here, so I only got to drill it out and really see what's going on, but it's probably rotted the whole way from here to there, so I'm going to drill that whole thing out, make those a lot bigger, and then do a bunch of epoxy work to clean it up. It's going to be a big area around the whole thing to make it stick properly. All right, so this is all sanded down and ready to go. So we have to 10 inches long by about 7 inches wide. And we're gonna load up the inside with epoxy and fiberglass material. All right, this is looking great. I've got a lot of fiberglass filled in the hole with a bunch of this net. I just did a second coat. I darkened up this paint. It was gray. I added some black, so it's a lot closer now, but when it dries, it'll look a lot better. And then there's that spot. And then there's this spot here, and then underneath there, and then there's some other spots on the other side. So any bare spot is covered.